Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, our channel that features only the most epic moments caught on driver's dashcam. We'll start today's episode off with a hectic road rage between a cyclist and a BMW driver. Check out how it all unfolded. This cyclist was not pleased with the way this driver was driving, and at the next traffic lights, they both pulled over and the cyclist confronted him about it. Make sure to pay close attention what he had to say, because I believe that we all can learn from this.
Is there a reason you can't slow down behind me? Huh? You can't slow down behind me? You know, there's no guy pushing you. You're driving, right? You're driving, right? You have control of your vehicle? Okay. That is not how you pull over and stop. You need space? I need space too, right? I'm a grandfather. I have 4 grandkids. You want to be responsible for me having to go out and get hit by some other asshole? So respect me. Respect. I work for a living. Electrician. I barely have a day off to come out and ride. I gotta put up with you that can't wait 2 seconds to pull over. Okay. Leave me some space, man. Promise. Don't do it to me. Right, just say you're sorry, man. Tell me you can do it again to somebody. Please, brother. I'm telling you as just a person. Don't drive like that. It takes 2 seconds to save a life, man. You have a big truck, right? You have a lot more weight to slow down traffic than I do. What am I? I'm exposed to everything. You got all this protection. Protect me like you protect your grandkids in here. All right, sir. I promise. Please. Yes, promise. Good day, my friend. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
One driver was not bothered that he was entering the corner. Instead of taking a turn, he simply kept on moving straight and hit the road barrier.
Blew a tire.
That was special. Winner. Yeah, that's what you're watching, right? Freakosaurus.
Surface Street crash, 16th Street, north of Glendale Avenue. There's a pedestrian-involved crash in 10th. That's at Baseline, just east of Pre. Today's theme is this. It's the issues that you So it was on in Ohio, and they
This driver recklessly ran a red light and got right in front of the camera, nearly causing an accident. This video is another proof of why impatience and recklessness never pays off. Check out how the camera filmed some crazy drivers breaking the speed limit and putting himself and themselves in danger. Pay close attention at the driver on the camera's left side. He didn't check over his shoulders, nor did he look at his mirrors while making a lane change, and it nearly came to an accident. The camera had to sit on his honk simply to avoid it. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you really like this type of content, support us with a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.